Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. It's been a week already, let me tell you. But anyway, I have a Dollar Tree haul here for you guys today. It's kind of chilly. The weekend was so nice. It was like almost 80 degrees. Now it's like cold, chilly, damp, yucky. But anyway, it's springtime. You kind of expect anything. All right, let me show you guys what we picked up here in our goodies section that, we always hit every week when we go there. We got a couple more. Oh, these are both the same. I should have left one out in the kitchen. Of the Spectre cream sodas. These are so good. I tell you guys, we always pick up a bottle for each of us every time we go. We both ended up with a cream soda this time. That's unusual. So we got those. I also picked this up. This is the Old Orchard Healthy Balance Apple Juice. So this is a nice big size here. And so far, most of my prices at Dollar Tree, they're pretty much still the same. I didn't check the aluminum foil and stuff. People said the prices on that went up, but I really didn't even look at that this time. I'll have to check more, but I kept looking to see if there was, a lot of things that prices changed, but they really did not so far anyway, fingers crossed. I picked up a can of these sliced peaches. These are the Libby's sliced peaches and light syrup, and I got these for a reason here. I found this at Dollar Tree. I want to try. This is the home style cobbler mix. So I thought, ooh. So I picked this up, and we're going to try that and see how that is, because I have not had a peach cobbler, and I couldn't even tell you when. And it seems pretty simple to make. So we're going to give this a try, let you guys know what we think of that. But yeah, I might actually do that tonight. Because, oh, you know what though? I don't have any vanilla ice. You gotta have vanilla ice cream with that. You really, really do. It's like almost a given. Let's see, my husband got some more of the Doritos nacho cheese chips. These are like the smaller bags that he loves to take with him, like to work and things. So he got that. He also got, they must not have had the peanut butter eggs this time, because he ended up getting the Palmer peanut butter cups. This was in with the Easter candies and things. I know he's been really on a kick with those peanut butter eggs that they have, but I guess they didn't have those this time. And then I grabbed a bag of the Peeps jelly beans. I've been getting different ones every time we go. This one has lemon, strawberry, marshmallow, and blueberry flavors. So they sound yummy. I love those Jelly Bellies, but you know what? I saw them one time. Those were like the irregular Jelly Bellies. I saw one time at Dollar Tree. I got a bag. They were so good. And of course, haven't seen them again. But we're going to try the Peeps ones this time. So I think that's pretty much it for the food stuff that we got. I got a couple things in the plus section. I picked this little guy up here for an Easter gift. This was $5. I'm not sure exactly what it does. It's got a dinosaur in here. It says it lights up, and it's called Nano Jurassic Light Up Dino. So I thought that would make a cute little gift, something different. It's in an egg, so it's Eastery, right? It says there's 6 pieces in here. Slime, smash, build, and more. I really don't know. I'm trying to read it. Unwrap, smash, dig into a glowing slime, and build the ultimate Smashosaurus. Okay, well, you know what? That sounds like fun, I guess. For any little one that happens to love dinosaurs, there you go. So I got that in the plus section, and this is the other thing. I got another one of these mats for outside. This is, hang on, I'm trying to read it here before I open it up. 17.27 inches, and these are those nice heavy, this thing is heavy doormats for outside. These are great, especially out here with the dogs and stuff, and in the yard back here. If you just want to get some mud and dirt off your feet, these are just awesome. It's really thick, it's very heavy, so it's not going to blow away on you, that's for sure. So yeah, it's just really nice. I have another one. What's my other one say? I think my other one just says hello on it that I have on my front porch. So I figured I'm going to get another one to put out by our back door. And yeah, yeah, these are very, very heavy. These are very nice rugs. Love them. So I had to get another one of those. All right. Oh, I did get a box of tissues here. Nothing exciting there. Just these small ones because, you know, some places in my house I just need a little small tissue box. So I grabbed one of these. These are what, 2-ply, 64 tissues in here. Nothing spectacular, but I do love the prints that they have on their boxes. I did pick up 2 of these Wizards solid air fresheners for in the bathroom. This one's Cherry Berry, it's called. It smells really, really good, but you can smell, there's like a little tiny hole there so you can kind of tell what it smells like. It smells really nice. So I got 2 of those because they don't have the ones I used to like all the time. I don't remember what brand they were. I don't remember. But I like the mango and stuff that they had. It was like a tropical, Hawaiian tropical or something like that. I used to love too, but they don't have those at Dollar Tree anymore. Because that's just the way it goes. Every time I find something I really, really like, then they disappear. And I got a couple more Easter things here just to stick in baskets. We got this set of 4 little bubble sticks. Just something fun to stick in there besides candies. So we got that, and then I got this cute little Easter flying disc that shoots off of a little carrot here. I thought that was adorable. Just some fun little things to stick in the baskets. Let's see. I think that's it. That's the only other things I got for Easter. I picked up these little bees that light up. It's a LED light set. It says total length 3.6 feet, lighted length 3 feet. So, and they have these really cute. Let's see if I can get them up close here. Focus camera. There we go. Those cute little bee lights. They're adorable. So yeah, I'm going to put them in my stash here of goodies, and hopefully I come up with something cute to use these in. Some little arrangement of some sort. And then I picked these up. I picked up a couple of these last year. I think I did DIYs with these. I don't know if it was last year or the year before. But these are really fun. You can, you know, paint them, decoupage them, whatever you want to do with them, stain them, and then put like a little arrangement inside of them. I can't remember. I don't know where the ones are I did last year. They're probably in with my other Easter basket stuff. But got those. Got that one with the star. And then I got this one here with the butterfly. And they're just really cute. They're fun to make little things with. You could even make a little tiny little gift basket with that if you wanted to for Easter for somebody. But so we got those. And then I picked up a couple more of these little fairy houses. They're just called garden decor. I thought this one was really cool. And hopefully I get around to doing these because you know what? I collect these things like crazy. And that's pretty much what I do is I collect these things like crazy and never seem to get around. I'm just having a hard time finding the little people that go with these that are the right size. They have like a big size and they have the teeny tiny size. I just have not found, I mean, maybe I can check Dollar General or something too, but I haven't found the right little figures to go with these yet. And then I picked up this one I thought was real pretty. Look at that. Look at the roof on there. The pretty like upside down flower on it. I thought that was adorable. And you got your little mushrooms. It says welcome. So that was cute. This one's got a little pink little mushroom side door there too. On the bottom I just noticed while I was looking at it here. That's really cute. But they're really nice. I like them a lot. I picked up a set of these. I don't know if they call this a set. It's a bypass pruning shears. I've heard other people say that these work really well, so I'm going to try these outside. I have a couple little things by my rose bushes and things I need to just clip off that are sticking through the fence funny. So I'll give them a try. I figured for $1.25. It says they're stainless, so I don't know. So hopefully they work good. And then my husband picked up this in this was the $1.25 ones. They do have bigger little toolbox things now in the plus section, but this is just a regular little $1.25 ones that they have. And he just wants it for, you know, like around the house when he's doing stuff, and then he has all these tools laying around. He figured just toss them back in here until he gets them back up in the carport and his toolboxes and whatnot. So that'll just help him keep organized a little bit with his tools. And then I picked up these. These are wall protectors. Let me start there. But I want to see if I can paint these with the black chalk paint and use these little round ones here, all different sizes, these little round ones for little eyes, you know, like that I use like on the Easter bunnies and the snowmen and things like that. So I'm gonna see. I'm not sure if let me rip this open here now that I have it at home. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you could paint these. I don't know if these are plastic or if this is like silicone. We're gonna try it. But the chalk paint usually holds up pretty good on this kind of stuff. And then they're self-sticking. You peel them off and just you'd be able to stick them onto whatever you wanted to. So we're gonna give those a try. There's all different sizes in here. And these are actually just to put on different furniture things and stuff. But then I had this bigger size here and then these really small ones. Come on camera, there we go. So I thought that would be great for the little projects when you need little eyeballs and you don't have them, and you can just paint them up. I do that with some of the gem stickers too. And then they have these for like, these I would definitely use like on furniture, but they're like the little feet protectors or whatever. That, and then there's 6 of these little square ones. I mean, these are great for like if you have like a chair that's close to a wall and you want to just put a little something there so it's not constantly banging on it, scratching the wall or whatever. But that is why I picked those things up. So I figured, yeah, we'll give it a try. Why not? But that is it. That is all I got at Dollar Tree this time. Not a whole lot new. I mean, they still have, you know, tons and tons of Easter candy and Easter eggs and all that kind of stuff, but pretty stocked up on all that stuff right now. So anyway, I'm going to move this stuff out of the way here, and then I'll go grab little P so he can come in and say hi. Yeah, right, here comes little P. Say hi to everyone, P. So yes, I am still traumatized. They are still out here working on our roads. Actually, they're working under the roads is what they're actually doing. Yeah, they got to get the work done, P, but these guys don't understand, and it's driving them crazy, which in tail is driving me crazy. Yeah, because you guys are not happy. Huh. I don't hear too much going on out there right now. It's usually first thing in the morning. Here, do you want this peanut? When they start digging up all the asphalt and plopping it in the back of the dump truck, is so loud. See, I don't like it. So I'm sick of it. Here. Right. Oh, my little Layla barking at. That's it. The dogs go crazy too, and it's just not fun. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get another battery because this battery's about ready to die. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me go grab the other battery, P. Hopefully it doesn't die till I get back. You stay there and talk to everybody, okay? You talk to everybody. Tell everybody what's going on, P. See, it's the only way I can get you to do your cute little whistles is if I walk away. Huh. Alright, P. We're going to stop this thing here real quick because this battery's getting ready to die. So hang on, guys. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that battery was getting ready to kick the bucket. I thought I would have enough. It wasn't quite fully charged, but I'm never right. Do you want more of this peanut? I know you hear those people out there talking again. What are they talking about, P? He's like, I don't know, strange voices. I don't like it. Do you want more of your peanut? You don't want no? I'll eat it. That's good peanut. No, that ain't working today either. He's just freaked out. He hears the voices out there. Yeah. See, what are they doing in my street? I don't get it. I don't know, P. I don't know how much longer or when they're going to be done, but I don't know. Uh-oh, I hear a little barking. Somebody coming. Who's coming? You hear little Layla? I think it's my grandson out there. Yep. Is that good? Anything else exciting happen, P? I don't think so. No. You haven't gotten into too much trouble this week. Well, it's early in the week. Oh, it's early. You're good. Is this a good peanut? Well, I'm glad at least you're enjoying that. I really didn't think he was going to even eat this because everything going on out there. Yeah, it's been really rough, man. These birds, they see all this activity out there and people and voices and it's just been crazy. Making you guys all crazy. When it's making me all crazy. Yes. Yeah. Because I just can't explain to you guys what's going on. You don't get it. See, I told you it was a good peanut. You had to think about it though today, huh? Is it yummy? Ugh. Yeah, I hear the trucks a beeping. They're backing up out there, P. They good? Alright, P. Well, you know what? We gotta go get stuff done. What do you think? Do we need to get some things done? Ow, that was my finger, you freak. That wasn't no peanut. That was my finger. You crazy or something? Here. I don't know if he thought that was a piece of peanut or what, but he bit my finger. He bit my finger. Oh, it's a mean boy. You're such a mean boy. Oh, don't be mean. Are you being crabby? He's like, don't touch my beak. Sorry. Sorry, P. Here, take that little piece of peanut. Alright, don't. Alright. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and we will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.